Hello everybody, this is Dan from TRADUNI, and today I'm going to show you how to post trades on traditional markets. So far we've learned how to create an account on one of the brokers and open a trading account on the broker which you now have funded, or maybe you're going to use a demo account like me. And now I'm going to tell you that you should download the MetaTrader 4 from your broker. So log in back to your broker and find where you can download the MetaTrader 4. Then you will receive a package such as these ones. I have all three of them here, the Pepperstone one, the IC Markets, and the LMFX. And I have installed the Pepperstone one already here. Right here I'm on one of my VPS, so virtual private servers, which are actually a computer in the cloud. And if you want to know how to install your MetaTrader on one of these cloud computers, you need to check out our tutorials from the robot, where you can see exactly how to do this step by step. Also, here I'm using more than one MetaTrader 4, so there is also a tutorial for that if you want to know how to do it. Why did I put it on a cloud machine? Well, because maybe I want some of the trades to be pending and to be activated while I'm asleep and my computer is off, so it's a good idea to keep the MetaTrader 4 running all the time. So without further ado, let's go open the folder and start the terminal. Alright, so it started, and now I especially chose Pepperstone because it has this, let's say, problem. So for example, over here it shows me only one server I can connect to, but my email that arrived and showed me that my server is called demo03, and I need to just write it here the way you have it in your email. So check your email to see how it's called. Mine is called demo03 pepperstone.com. So it will find it. I have a very good ping with this server. It's 2.4 milliseconds, which is great. When you're gonna trade, it means that you can enter and exit the trades quite accurately, so you don't have to worry about large slippage. Okay, now I'm going to select an existing account and I'm going to find the login and password in my email. I found my login and password and I filled it in here, and now you can do the same. As I said, this is a demo account, so I don't really care that you see the number because I'm gonna delete it anyway after this. And let's see, I click finish and everything starts lighting up. If you click here on the right corner, you will see that I'm connecting to this server with 2.5 milliseconds latency, which is a great latency to have. Okay, I have already the standard charts open, and this looks very scary and confusing, especially if you see this the first time. So I'm gonna close all of the charts I just did, and now you can see here there is an empty space, and I want to make let's say a GBP USD trade. I'm gonna load the chart here, and here is the time frame. I'm gonna choose the time frame which I desire. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Okay, I have previously seen a small opportunity here. As you can see, okay, this is just my short idea to show you how to place a trade. There was a trend here, an uptrend, which was broken, and now this looks like it's a possible higher high. So I'm gonna say that if the price will break this low, I'm going to enter a sell trade. So let's do that. I'm gonna right click and select new order. As you select new order, you will find this new window that appears. And first of all, I'm going to explain you a very short money management strategy. Right now I have 500 fake dollars on this demo account, and they don't mean anything, of course, but I will pretend they're real money, so I will keep practicing my trade skills. Myself, I'm also a beginner. I am just a technical guy in our TRADUNI team, but I know enough to explain to you how to place trades. So a very simple money management strategy, which I discussed with Dmitry, and he approved it, was to tell everybody who is new to trading these markets, to use very small lot sizes for your trades. So regardless of you having a large account or a small account, a real one or a demo one, the point of view learning, because that's why you're watching this video, is to learn how to trade and how to make your TA and how to enter trades correctly. So for that, you should not risk a lot of your capital. So the minimum you can use is 0.01 lots. So that's what we are going to use. The volume is 0.01 lots, and we're gonna have it as a rule of thumb that from now on, while we are in the learning period, the good money management strategy is to use the 0.01 fixed lots all the time. So it doesn't matter. If you lose, you're gonna lose very little. If you're gonna win, you're gonna win very little. What is a lot and how you calculate it, I will explain to you in a later video. For now, this video is just about how to place trades. And okay, now that we've got the 0.01, I'm gonna see what kind of trade am I going to put a market execution trade or a pending order? Well, market execution means that I'm gonna put the trade right now, and I don't want that. I want the trade to start under these two lines, because I believe that if this is a new lower high, lower than this, then there is a downtrend happening, and from here it's gonna go down until where? Down until the previous support, which is somewhere around here, as you can see, and this is exactly the 1.29260 trade price. Okay, so that means my take profit will be 1.29. Just let's make it, how much was it? 1.2920.6. Well, just a bit above, maybe here. Yeah, here looks good for me. 1.29630, because this is a sell order, I remind you. Okay, it's a pending order, which type it's sell stop in this case. At price should be here, 10390. So yeah. Okay, comment, this is an example trade. You can write in the comment anything that you will use to identify this trade for yourself, or to remind yourself when to exit it, or anything else. I'm gonna place a stop loss, which will be above this high, which is right here at 1.31900. And obviously I have not given this trade a lot of thought. This is not what I would normally do. I would normally make a better TA, get inspired by one of the ideas on TRADUNI, for example, from Dmitry or Oleg or Radu, read some more about it and maybe apply also some indicators, or at least watch the volume. But for the purpose of showing how to place a trade, this is just right. Okay, so there I am. I'm gonna play place, and it was successful. Okay, here I'm in the journal, and you can see that says order pending order sell stop was placed, order was open. That doesn't mean it's active, that just means it's pending. And you can switch here to the trade place, and you will find the trade. Now you also see these lines. This means it will sell here and it will try to take profit here, and with a stop loss all over this here, the red line. As you can see, I'm making a really bad trading decision. I'm risking a lot of, like, my risk reward ratio is completely imbalanced. It should be the other way around. I should have a shorter sell with a higher profit, but well, this was just an example, and it was a TA I made in a few seconds without actually thinking much about it. So I hope you understand the purpose of this video, and now you know how to place trades. And yeah, also you know a very simple money management strategy. Keep your volume size at 0.01 lots, also known as micro lots. And for the beginning, if you use this kind of size, you are not risking too much, and you're gonna learn a lot more, lose a lot less, and maybe even gain something. Okay, um, let me know if there are any questions here below or on our chat groups if you're one of our members. I will be happy to respond to you. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel to receive more free tips about trading. If you want to help our project TRADUNI, you can open a broker account with the links on our broker page, which is in the description. By doing that, we will receive a small part of the fees you pay to the broker. We use these funds for our infrastructure costs and to do more research and testing to make our trading robot better. So it all comes back to you in the end. Thank you for your attention.